Gabe's leaving us this weekend.
Who?
The Black Lab, Gabe.
Where's he heading?
Let's see. I think New Jersey, maybe. Yeah, New Jersey. You going to see Cheryl? Are you going to Cheryl's den? Sahara? Swimming hole dried up.
Yeah, it is dried up. Really haven't had much rain in a while. I mean, we have a little here, a little there, but not much. Not like we're having a spring in the summer. It's getting crowded, ain't it, Walt?
Sander, Sahara.
Guess we better be careful, doesn't that walk? I think that hurt him today, don't you?
Well, at least it wasn't hot.
Muggy though. Oh, I think that hurts him.
Gabe, enjoy your last walk in Kentucky.
So you leaving Saturday?
Yeah, no more getting gunshot down here. Thought about sending that idiot a picture and saying,
Won't do any good. He should be an idiot.
despite all your efforts, this dog is thriving.